Hello and welcome to another episode of CUET Current Affairs. Let's begin. Which organization was designated as the Global Coordinator for World Wildlife Day? WWF, UN Environment Programme, CITES Secretariat, or World Health Organization? The correct answer is option C, CITES Secretariat. The CITES Secretariat, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, was designated as the Global Coordinator for World Wildlife Day. Next. What bacterium causes cholera? Escherichia coli, Vibrio, Chlorella, Salmonella, Shigella. The correct answer is option B, Vibrio cholera. Cholera is caused by consuming food or water contaminated with the bacterium Vibrio cholerae, leading to acute diarrheal infection. Next, what is the name of the lunar region where the Blue Ghost lander successfully touched down? Mare Imbrium, Mare Crisium, Mare Serenitatis, or Oceanus Procellarum? The correct answer is option B, Mare Crisium. The Blue Ghost lunar lander successfully touched down on the moon's Mare Crisium region after its powered descent. Next, what is the name of the award that Vantara's Elephant Care Center received? Bharat Ratna Award, Prani Mitra National Award, National Animal Welfare Award, or Elephant Welfare Excellence Award? The correct answer is option B, Prani Mitra National Award. Vantara's Elephant Care Center was awarded the Prani Mitra National Award, India's highest honor in animal welfare by the Government of India. Next, what average annual growth rate is needed for India to achieve high income status by 2047 according to the World Bank report? 6.6%, 7.8%, 8.5%, or 10%? The correct answer is option B, 7.8%. The World Bank report states that India must achieve an average annual growth rate of 7.8% to reach high income status by 2047. Next, what is the name of the newly discovered species of leaf-nosed bat from Sri Lanka? Hipposideros galeritus, Hipposideros brachiotus, Hipposideros srilankensis, Hipposideros indicus. The correct answer is option C, Hipposideros srilankensis. The newly discovered species of leaf-nosed bat from Sri Lanka is named Hipposideros srilankensis. Next, what is the time period of the inscriptions found in Lankamala Wildlife Sanctuary? 5th to 7th century BCE, 4th to 6th century CE, 1st to 5th century CE, 6th to 8th century BCE? The correct answer is option B, 4th to 16th century CE. The inscriptions discovered in Lankamala Wildlife Sanctuary date from the 4th to the 16th century Common Era. Next, how often is the dolphin population survey likely to be repeated? Every 4 years, every 2 years, every year, or every 5 years? The correct answer is option A, every 4 years. The next dolphin survey is likely to take place after 4 years as per the current study schedule. Next, what is the primary cause identified for the slowing down of the Antarctic circumpolar current? Increased ocean pollution, rising ocean temperatures, melting Antarctic ice sheet, or changes in wind patterns? The correct answer is option C, melting Antarctic ice sheet. The slowing down of the ACC is attributed to the melting Antarctic ice sheet, which introduces vast amounts of fresh water into the Southern Ocean, altering its salinity and density. Next, which authority is responsible for issuing the mandatory birth certificate under the new passport rules? Ministry of External Affairs, Registrar of Births and Deaths, Municipal Corporation, both B and C? The correct answer is option D, both B and C. The birth certificate must be issued by the Registrar of Birth and Death, the Municipal Corporation, or any authority authorized under the Registration of Births and Deaths Act 1969. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following became India's first local body to include a climate chapter in its budget? Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Delhi Municipal Corporation, Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, or Bangalore Municipal Corporation? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.